Hello and welcome. My name is Kyle Jenkins and today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy TikTok or Instagram Reels from your longer form content. So let's jump on the computer and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so as you can see on my timeline right by here, I've just completed my edit from my Kader Idris vlog. So what I'm going to do is, if you go into where you keep your sequences or timelines, so I'm going to go onto where it's kept. Oh, also, this is in Final Cut Pro X, if I haven't mentioned that before. This is a tool in Final Cut Pro X. You could probably do it in Premiere Pro, but I found this on Final Cut, so I'm going to do it on there. So when you go into your sequences, you right click on your project and you go duplicate project as, and then you type in the name, I don't know, call or whatever you want to call it, and then you go onto the vertical 1080 by 1920, and then if you click this Smart Conform on the right, make sure you click that and then click OK. Now what this will do, it will take your wide format video and it will create a new timeline with it in the right aspect ratio and move everything so it fits into the right composition within that video. But this is really handy if you want to make shorter videos from your longer form content. So you can either, once you've done that, you can break it down into lots of little videos, chop it up, remove the stuff you don't want. So I found out this is a really handy tool to make from your longer form content into shorter Instagram or TikTok Reels. Whatever you want to do, this is the quickest and fastest way I've found to do it. Once it's analyzed and the timeline is open, you'll have it all laid out here. So just make sure everything is in the right composition, like your head is in the middle. So once you've done that, you can then go through, you can edit out the bits you don't want from it, any music, any shots, cut it down a little bit so you are re-editing it, or you could just export it in the tool one, because you can do 10-minute videos on TikTok now and you can obviously do longer ones on Instagram. But I would recommend to these tour videos, keep them short and punchy. What I tend to do is once I've done it, I'll then cut it down and I'll edit it so it's a lot quicker, a lot faster paced, and it to be under a minute, because people tend to lose attention on these other platforms very quickly. So as you can see, this is the Kader Idris tool vlog, and if you notice, everything is conformed right into the correct aspect ratio. You can see my head, you can see everything in the frame, especially where the sheep is by here, and everything else. So you could export it like that, or you could edit down to exactly the bits you want, so then you only have the bits you want. So once you've done that, you just export it normally how you would, and then you upload it to your favorite social media channels. So this is just a quick video how to make this really easy for yourself. If you're struggling to make content quick and fast, just take it from your longer form content videos and then put it into Final Cut, edit it, then conform it, and then just chop it down, make a couple of them. When I found out, this has been a great tool and I've been using it loads because I can't keep up with videos going everywhere, so this has been a lifesaver for me. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this video, and if you have used this technique, or if you have any other techniques yourself to make this process a lot easier, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this information, because it really does help, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But until the next one, see you later.